In this video, let's take a look at how we can set up a new employee in isolved using the Quick Hire feature. In the left menu bar under Employee Management, we'll click on Quick Hire. This is the screen where we'll input the new employee information. We must fill in the information, all the boxes that have an asterisk next to it. So let's go ahead and enter the information now. We'll put in a social security number for this employee. We'll type in their first name and their last name. If we want to enable a self-service email for this employee, which almost 100% of the time you do, you'll enter the employee email here. For the purpose of this video, we will skip this step. We'll want to enter the address and the zip code. Under the salary, we'll want to put what type of employee this is, and for this video, we'll do an hourly employee, and we'll type in that they make $30 an hour. We can see here that it automatically calculates their annual salary for them. We can put in any alternate pay rates if necessary, and then we'll continue through, and we'll pick benefit and workers' comp codes, a work location. We can put any federal and state income tax information in here, and any I-9 information on the right. At the bottom, we'll want to put in direct deposit information for this employee. When done, we can hit Add New, and we can add a second one if necessary. When we're done, all we have to do is click Save. Now we can see that the employee information is saved, and if we go into Employee Summary, we should see the new employee added, and here it is. And that's how you use Quick Hire to add a new employee into isolved.